Njengamanje ke mbukeli ke sesingena ehoreni lethu lesibili lohlelo ake sibheke ihamba phambili kuleli hora. Bamisiwe emsebenzini yabaqaphi bephini likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile babonakale kwenye yamavidiyo bevulela isibhaqo kwezinye izakhamuzi emgwaqeni uN1 ngesonto ledlule.
iRand Water ikhuphe isikhumbuzo kubahlali baseGauteng ngokubanzi ukuba balungiselele ukuvalwa kwamanzi iiyure ezingama-58.
Sanibonani emakhaya, igama lethu abathandwa nibukele Ekhaya Jikelele. Umoya wami uyavuma. Uyavumana nana. Yes.
Amaphoyisa ayisishiyagalombili abephelekezela iphini likamongameli umnumzana uPaul Mashatile nabandakanyeka ecaleni lokushaya kuN1 amisiwe ngokomthetho wokuqondiswa kweyigwegwe wophiko lwamaphoyisa.
Oh my gosh. Honey, look what's happening here.
Sonike?
Lord, come on.
Lamalungu ayingxenye yezokuvikelwa kwephini likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile kusolakala ukuthi ashaya abathathu abasaqeqeshelwa ukuba ngamasosha ombutho we-SANDF ongithela wayeka uN1 eGoli ngesonto ledlule. Esinye seyisulu sashawa saze saquleka. Okhulumela amaphoyisa uBrigadier Atlenda Mathe uthi abasolwa bamiswe ngaphansi kwemigomo yomthetho wokuqondiswa kweyigwegwe ophikweni lwamaphoyisa.
Umongameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa uthi isicwangciso sabo sokubeka ilizwe elibukhali kwizithembiso zabo kubanika ithuba elihle lokuphumelela unyulo lukazwelonke oluza kubanjwa kunyaka ozayo. uRamaphosa ukwalumkise abaphathiswa abangawenzi kakuhle umsebenzi wabo ngelithi baza kugxothwa ukuba bathe qolo ungenzi izinto ezilindelekileyo.
I-ANC isewuqalile umkhankaso wokhetho langonyaka ozayo. Umengameli waleli qembu elibusayo uCyril Ramaphosa uthi iqembu kufanele livume lapho elenze khona amaphutha liphinde likuveze nokuhle eselikwenzile. uRamaphosa uqhubeke wathi yize ziningi izingqinamba ezikhungethwe izwe kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi iqembu elibusayo liyahluleka ukuhola.
The glass is not empty. The glass is half full and moving towards being full. That's precisely where we are.
Ukusungulwa kwamathuba emsebenzi yonanto elisayibheke kakhulu leli qembu elibusayo.
Poverty is one of our key objectives in terms of reducing it. The Statistician General said it has been coming down from the 17% to 7%.
I-ANC ithi izowudla umhlanganiso okhethweni langonyaka ozayo yize leli qembu libhekene nezingqinamba.
Believe that we've got a really good platform for the African National Congress to go to the 2024 elections with victory wrapped around our hands without any doubt.
Elakuleli lizovotela uhulumeni omusha ngonyaka ozayo kanti amaqembu ezombusazwe aphikisayo afuna ukusebenzisa isimo samanje sakulelizwe eqinisekiseni ukuthi ayikhali yemuke nalo lolu khetho i-ANC. Ngingusamkele Maseko ngibekele izindaba ze-SABC eBoksburg.
Ayaqhubeka amakhaza ashubisa umkantsha okuzoshaya kuzwele ikakhulu kulabo abangenawo amakhaya. Ezingxenyeni ezahlukene zezwe likhithikile ngenxa yamazinga aphansi okushisa. Isangoma ke sezulu esixoxisane naso namhlanje kuseni uLihlehono loThobela sithi livamile ukukhithika njalo esikhathini esiyiminyaka eyishumi.
Into enokwenzeka khona ukudlula lapho kweminyaka owu10 every 10 years bebiza i-decade bobo inokwenzeka khona ukuthi kube nawo ukuthi likhithikile kodwa ke akuyona into enjwayelo enzeka ngemihla lokho ukuthi singathi ayivele sesiyilindele kodwa yona into yona engasunga ukuthi ayikaze yenzeka qobo ngokuthi kona ukugcina kwayo kwenzeka ngoAugust okwenyaka yandlula ka2012 khona kungukuthi kuyaphindeka kwabanako kona lokhithika eindaweni yaze yafika ngisho khona le phezulu ePitoli. manje singakhuluma ngokubanda ngoba ukubanda kona kusazoba khona ukudlulela kuze kuphele yona iwinter. Into ezoyenzeka ukuthi nje abantu kumele babe nesixwayiso sokuthi bahlezi bagqokile bafudumele emakhaya. Mawukuthi banako-ke okuyilwane ngaphandle bangamafama kumele bazinakekele kubonakala ukuthi bazibeka kahle endaweni yokuthi ifudumele engeke ibulale ngoba amakhaza wona awabulali abantu kodwa kodwa inokushaya ayibulali abantu kuphela kuyakhona-ke ukuthi ibulale ngisho ne-livestock ngaphandle okuyilwanyana abantu abakwazi ukuphila ngazo nakho konke okungukuthi kuyaphilisa ekhaya.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisabukele Ekhaya Jikelele kwinkqubo ndaba yakho uDTT. Ubusika ke lelona xesha lonyaka apho abantu abaninzi bezivalela kumagumbi abo kuba kaloku kukho ingqele eqhaqhazelisa amazinyo. Kunqongophele kwa elo langa bethuni. Ziba khona ke kodwa ezamini uqonda uba hayi mani ingaske ndiphume phandle kodwa ngeyiphi impahla endingayikhetha ukuzigcina ndishushu. Ukanti ke namhlanje kumagumbi ethu osasazo sinodwendwe elizasichubela banzi ngomsebenzi walo lisinike nengcebiso ngezinto engaba mhlambe singazinxiba kobubusika. Unceba Klassen masikubulise sikwamkele Ekhaya Jikelele.
Sawubona njani?
Ngiyaphila njani wena?
I'm good.
Siyajabula ukuthi usivakashela vele sikwixesha lewinter apho abantu mhlambe umuntu angazi ba anxibe ntoni. You are a fashion stylist. Khawusiqale sithuphe ngomsebenzi wakho.
Yeah, I think winter is actually one of my favorite seasons, especially when it comes to fashion, because you can either dress it up or down without changing just the small things. Like you can have your faux fur coats, your chunky boots. I can see you wearing chunky boots. So yeah, you can either dress up with small items but make a fashion statement also. Yeah.
Ndiyabona nawe wenze i-fashion statement waveza ithanga outside waqoba jonga sana awuzodlala apha eGauteng ithanga phandle. So sentsho noba kubanda uyakwazi ukuthi thuphe ithanga nyani inyama nyani.
So I think no, I don't like dressing up a lot. So you can actually be warm but with minimal clothing. So you can either wear like your ripped jeans with a leather jacket. I mean, that's warm enough for dressing up in a warm way, but not having to have too much items on your body. So yeah.
And bayacho bathi noba kubanda ingqele it's temporary but drip is forever.
I mean, it's all about, it's part of the look also.
Yeah. So Mntasekhaya, we know that, I mean, in terms of fashion and trends, chinja ngonyaka. So ungathi mhlambe, now that we are in 2023, what are the latest trends in fashion, especially with winter collection?
One thing about fashion, especially winter, I think it's a timeless. It's timeless. So whether something is trending or not, it doesn't have to change that much. I mean, we still need to wear oversized coats. We still wear your faux fur jackets. So yeah, fashion doesn't really change that much, but it's just how you put a look together, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
And in terms of colors, because you winter, I know that, I mean, now that we still approach spring, pango September, you know, abantu bathanda ukuza nemibalabala, your bright colors, your yellow, your pink, your red. Mhlambe ungathi kule winter zeziphi colors umuntu angaziqaqambisa?
So also with colors, I think to do your earthly colors like your olive green, your grays, brown, classic beiges. So those are classic colors that will actually keep you warm also. In terms of course, bright colors are for summer. Yeah.
So to keep you warm, ziyamba ne-heater done.
I mean, I look at you with the colors that you're wearing right now, and I can see that you are warm. Yeah. So yeah, those are the colors that you can go for. I mean, your beige, your ethnic colors, your browns and olive greens and.
Okay. So ndiyaqonda ubana njengoba kusebusika abanye abantu bayazithanda idyasi.
Yes.
Uyabo,
Yeah.
your different colors, your red. Mhlambe ukucebisa umbukeli into yokubana mhlambe abanye abantu they may not have i-fashion sense yokuba okay since kusebusika omnye mhlambe ufumanisa into yokubana seke i-onion akazi ba aleke ntoni ngaphezulu ugcwele uthe qhu. Ungacebisa mhlambe into yokubana if unedyasi yakho ekhona esendlini ungayinxibela nantoni ngaphansi nje i-style is different that will give it a look that is just wow.
So also when you are dressing up with jackets and all, so you don't want to look like a balloon or ube swallowed, you know. So hence I'm saying minimal clothes. You can have just a t-shirt inside, have your jacket, coat, fur coat jacket, and because also if for first they bring like a luxury to whatever it is that you're wearing. And then you can pair it with a pair of jeans or a mini skirt. Yeah, because you don't want to look like you are drowning in your clothes.
Yeah.
So,
Uthetha ngathi vele I mean lo msebenzi wakho kudala uqhushalaza I mean as a fashion stylist. Khawusele thuphe ngomsebenzi wakho into yokubana yintoni incakasana oyenzayo and ngobani abantu kule ndlela yakho othe wasebenzisana nabo wabanxibisa.
okay, so fashion styling, it's I do image consulting. I on what to wear. I advise and I dress people. I put a look together. I've worked with your Nasty C's, Zozibini Tunzi. I've worked with Kelly Kumalo. I've worked with quite a lot of people in the industry. I've worked with magazines. I've styled. Yeah.
Also,
it's quite a number. Also, focalistic. Yeah.
Wow, so igama lakho lise manqwanqweni aphezulu.
Wow.
And I mean ndiyambona apha no Kelly Khumalo. So when it comes to styling mhlambe ingaba uyavumelana nomuntu okanye since uthi wenza I consultation
Yes.
what is it that you look at? Do you look at the body?
You look at everything. I mean, there's always a brief of what needs to be done on set or whatever, wherever. So they will tell me, they're looking for winter clothes or summer clothes or whatever the brief might be. So yes, I have to go to the person that I'm styling. I check their profile first, and then I also check their body type, and then I decide on the kind of clothes that I want to bring with the given brief, of course.
Oh, okay. So how do you balance between your own creative vision as a stylist and okay, ingathi mhlambe yes, I get the brief, but ingaske uzawufanelwa masithi thatha okanye sifake ife apha phezulu. Ibe ingekho part of the brief. So how do you balance, I mean, your creative vision with a preference your client?
So usually I don't like styling people that would agree with whatever it is that I bring on set. So I want someone that's also going to challenge me in a way. No, I don't think this will work. But also don't tell me how to do my work. So on set, we work hand in hand with someone. So actually I'm not into mini skirts, then I will be okay, that's fine. But if I bring something and then you put it on and then it works, sometimes you just look at clothes on camera or on pictures and you think, no, that's not going to work. Or you just look at it on the rail and you think, but once I convince you to put it on and then you see it fits perfectly and you look beautiful, yeah.
Awusazuthi hayi no andifuni mini skirt because wenzile umsebenzi wakho and iyarocka.
Yes.
What are the pros and cons kuyo le industry of being a stylist? Asikwazi uyibalekela into yokubana akho smooth nje, you know, kuba bumpy sometimes. So what are the pros and cons?
Being exploited, one is when you start in the industry, there's a lot of people that will exploit you in terms of your ratings, or they will try and take advantage of saying, I'm a celebrity, therefore I'll just post and tag you. But at the end of the day, you are doing this because this is your passion. This is something that you want to make a living out of also. So you must be careful of people that will take advantage of you and saying, no, we can do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 for you. Yeah, so that's it. And then another one is usually the industry on its own people are not as
nice.
as nice as
Babize mntasa amagama.
no. I'm still trying to make a living out of this.
So uncengile ukuthi hey bangathi
Yeah.
wena wathetha ngathi.
Yeah, but what's nice about it is that you get to, I mean, me personally, I get to be myself. I get to explore my creativity when I'm with someone and when I'm styling someone. So I'm at a happy place when I'm doing that. So that's one of the things, yeah.
So as a fashion stylist and then ndiyakunikeza igunya to rate me because ndithe namhlanje jonga, not because ndawudibana nawe but mandibe. So out of 10 kule look ndinayo ungandirate bani? Intoni mhlambe engayilungisa okanye uthi if bunofaka into ntoni?
Okay.
But ungandijudge
I
kakhulu.
would no, I'll give you a 7 out of 10.
U3 ke ngoku. Is it fair? No?
I mean, I think it's fair enough.
Okay.
It is fair. One thing I would change, I think I would have went for stockings that show your skin. So that's
Senze indaba kaloku sofuna ndiveze isikhumba ababukeli kaloku.
okay.
Bazothi saba well.
No, I mean
Okay.
you're still very decent.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just yeah.
So
Otherwise,
stockings
look
that
good.
are gonna show my skin.
Yeah, and then I would have picked earrings that would have picked up on your gold details here. So yeah.
And there's gonna be in shame. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But otherwise, we good to go.
7 out of 10. Okay,
Yeah.
do you agree Mbukeli? 7 out of 10 akufani kodwa.
Yeah.
Let's go back to umsebenzi wakho. Ungathi mhlawumbe, I mean, since oko ukhona kule industry, I mean, also as a stylist, awustyle kuphela kodwa nawe une statement sakho.
Yes.
How would you describe your statement in terms of fashion?
I'm a very minimalistic person. I don't go overboard. I just like things that are very simple, but yet they create a statement. I mean, you can see this jean for quite. It's simple, but this studs and these zips are
I'm
a
not
statement
very
on
that
their own.
statement bilithanga.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, okay, no, that's what you saw.
ithanga phandle.
So yeah, I'm a very a simple person when it comes to my personal style. Because I think I explore more with people and my clients. Yeah.
So if there's one item as a designer or as a stylist ongathi ungayinxiba oko, which one is it in your wardrobe? Qamba lena joga nanini nandi ngayinxiba nanini.
You're putting me on the spot because one, I always advise people not to wear track pants because I believe those are for, yeah, it's like you've given up in life. But personally, no. Yeah, yeah, you can't be wearing tracksuits every day, all day. No, they're good for lounging when you're at home. But that's one thing that I would have in my wardrobe. Yeah, but it's not something that I would wear 24/7. No.
Just lastly, ukukhuthaza nje ababukeli now that we are in the winter season, babe bright, babe bahle, athina amazwi wakho.
I think let's love one another, let's respect each other, and let's be kind to each other, and let's stay fashionable.
Let's stay fashionable.
Yes.
Right, Mbukeli we Ekhaya Jikelele uvile kaloku besithetha naye njengoko kusebusika into yokubana zintoni ongazinxiba so that noba kusebusika ugodola but ube right ube ne-statement. Ngoku masithi qhwi evenkileni wena ungayindawo siyabuya emva kwale ntengiso.
Siphinde sikwamukele Mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Njengoba ke Mbukeli sithembisa phela ukuthi thina la ekhaya sihlezi nje sikuphathele izinto ezikhala kamnandi. Sisahlezi nawe ke lapha ohlelweni lwakho lwasekuseni Ekhaya Jikelele. Uma uyiqaphela izinto uzokhumbula ke ukuthi kulamasonto ambalwa edlule sibheka iminxa eyahlukahlukene emkhakheni wemidlalo yeshashalazi. Namhlanje ke Mbukeli sibheka kabanzi umdlalo weshashalazi obizwa ngeSkirlek osuselwe esigamekweni esake senzeka ngempela empilweni. Okuhlukile ngawo ukuthi unomlungisi nje oyedwa vo olokhu ke shintsha edlala indawo ezahlukene. Umdidiyeli walomdlalo uThiyamo Muthabi kanti ke umlingisi ophinde abe ngumdidiyeli wawo futhi ke nguLihle Mdlalana. Namhlanje ke sihlanganyela kanye nabo bobabili khona la endlini zokusakaza ekomkhulu leOakland Park eGoli. Sinibingelele sinamukele ekhaya.
Sanibona.
Hayibo, yazi makuthiwa mina ngilindele umdidiyeli, ngilindele nje obhuti abadala beyintshebe abaserious.
Hayi kanti
kanti sisentsheni la siku-youth.
Ya siku-youth ngoba vele sibuya kuyo vele i-youth month yabo.
Uyabona ukuthi nje izinto zethu zihamba ngohlelo.
Ngoba vele thina silabantu ke esibelievele ukuthi kumele sizenzele yabo. Ngoba kunabantu vele abadala kunathi abasifundisayo nathi sibukela kubo. Kodwa kungapheleli lapho kuba ukuthi nathi senzani bese
niqhubekela phambili. Hayibo. Thiyamo ngizoqala ngoThiyamo. So ke Thiyamo wena umqondisi walomdlalo lo weshashalazi. Akungitshela nje ukuthi yini le egqugquzele ukuthi ulondoloze ngalomdlalo ngokwenza lomdlalo lo weSkirilek.
Sasema robotini ngelanga lakhona. There is this place eThembisa kuthiwa yiwini baceda ukwenza itent ezintsha khona lapha. So sithe masibheka le itent from le robotini lesimekulu, we were like, what can we write about ngale ndawo? But then instead of writing, that's when tshela uLihle ukuthi, but then there was once a show ekhuluma nge informal settlement. So how about we go look into the show itself and then sibheke ukuthi singayenzani ngayo. That's when we met decide ukuthi ngizoproducer iSkirilek.
So iSkirilek isikhuluma ngama informal settlements.
It's an Yes, it's a show about an informal settlement eSwartregans in Northwest.
So ke wagqugquzela ngalokho ukuthi ubuyele ngoba into enzeka ngempela le.
Into enzeka ngempela and after lapho sasiceda ukwenza enye show futhi theater, so saba like no, but then we can do this one khona manje singayenza.
So ama-theater imaphi lama-theater nisikeni kuwe khokho?
Kakhulu sikwi-TX Theatre eThembisa.
eThembisa.
Moses Moleleko Art Center.
Oh, that's nice. Kwaze kwakuhle. Linda, hayi wena ke hayi Lihle, ngiyasaba isibindi sakho. Angaza understand ukuthi umuntu oyedwa ekutha kanjani ama-roles ahlukahlukene because ey'nsukwini nasemavikini adlule uma lokhu sixoxisana nabantu ababalingisi kanjalo abadidiyeli bayasho ukuthi as umlingisi kuye kufuneka ukuthi ujule ungene ube emotional ukuze uzongena kakhulu kuyi-role osuke uyidlala. Manje wena uprepare kanjani ukuthi ube emotionally invested kuwo wonke lama-roles ahlukahlukene?
So for mina indaba ye-performance it goes deeper than land mangingasho because vele abakhuluma manga mabethi kumele ujule because mina ngizama ukuziprepare physically, emotionally and also spiritually because ngisuke I believe ekutheni if I'm going to wear a character then ngisuke ngiphila impilo yomunye umuntu so I cannot lie about someone's life. So how do I make sure that I portray this character in the best way possible that is believable to the audience? Because since after all abantu mabeza bazobukela theater, they are coming to watch you. So me, my job as an actor is to pay them back in a performance. Umuntu angaphumi etheater athi bengizokwenzani la. Umuntu aphuma khohla athi nale mali engibhadaleli incane.
Yazi ngabe ngibashaya ngebhansela laba bantu. Manje awungitshele ukuthi ena kulama roles osuko nje obusho na ukuthi ena uyawalungiselela ngokomoya spiritually, physically. Sengi interested nje ku mentally no spiritual ukuthi wenze njani ukuyilungiselela.
So ngoba ngesinye isikhathi we have different spiritual beliefs and ngesinye isikhathi ama-spiritual beliefs sometimes ayaclasha nezinto ozithandayo wena as a person. So sometimes kunezinto uthola ukuthi okay mangifuna ukuprepare for this character spiritually akumelanga ngiye endaweni eso. Akumelanga ngikwenze ukuthi nokuthi and then I can be fully invested in the character and portray it in the best way possible.
So mangathiwa nje uzoportray kuba umfundisi okusho ukuthi ngaleyo Sunday uye esontweni.
Ngizoya esontweni. Okay kuzodepend ukuthi ngiportray umfundisi wakuphi. Bese ngiye kuleyo sonto if mhlambe umfundisi wase maybe kunesonto ekuthiwa American Christian Church. Kumele ngihambe nge-American Christian Church ke ngibheke ukuthi okay benza kanjani and then thole ukuthi umfundisi wase American Christian Church akakwenzi ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi ngiqale ke mina ezulihle ngingakwenzi lokuthi nokuthi nokuthi until the performance.
Thiyamo wena ke njengomqondisi walomdlalo wena yini oyuyenze uqinisekisa ukuthi ena ulihle usesimweni esright sokuthi akwazi uportray lama roles?
So sike simake sure ukuthi whenever kune show efana nayo ulihle uyayi-attenda so that azolena a thing or two from that show itself. Noma ishow ingaba ePitori noma kukuphi, we make sure ukuthi uyayi-attenda ulihle that way. Yes, and then in whatever support ayidingayo in building ama-character, we help him as well.
Manje welihle kuthatha isikhathi esingakanani nje ngithi for i-character eyi-1 ukuprepare for yona? Like uma usuphumile nje usebhalile-ke ukuthi ngithi wabhala waqeda script sakhe kuzoba kanje ukuprepare ke now for i-character ne-character kuthatha mhlawumbe isikhathi esingakanani?
Kuyadependa ukuthini leyo character estorini uyini, right? For example, ukuprepare i-main character angeke kufane nokuprepare i-supporting character. Uyabo, so ke depend ngalezo inkati lezo. Mara mangakhuluma ngeSkirlek ukuprepare towards inatsika i-Joburg theater leso besikuyo kuthathe i4 weeks, leli viki esikulo lesi5. Yabo, because we still in the preparations as
process. Ngizobe nise-Joburg theater nini?
From 18 to 22 zikaJuly.
Lapho kumbukela ngakwazi ukuhamba uyobona khona umdlali iSkirlek azobona ukuthi ngempela yile nto ebesikhuluma ngayo ayibona ukuthi besingaphosisi besingakhuluma ngempela wena udlala ama roles amahlukahlukene uyedwa. Sengiyahalela ukuthi ngingabona mina ukuthi yena uyenza kanjani lento leso. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe manje ke sikudedele uhambe nje uye ngale yala imphamba. Uma ngabe ke sizobuya ke ezitolo uzohamba ubabonise ke ababukeli ukuthi ngabe yini wena le odume ngayo le ekade sikhuluma ngayo. Umbukeli njengamanje ke sisiqunga sezitolo ke masibuya hayi ke ulihlele ongumlingisi uzobe seshayile encane asibonise ukuthi ukwazi kanjani ukuthi a-act a-portray ama-character ahlukahlukene eyedwa nje vo ungayindawo ungaphuthelwa.
January 2008. I come out of my shack, I sit here. My wife Anna and our daughter Elizabeth are inside the shack playing. And the dirty little kids of Skirlek are playing over there. And that one Jikelele is smiling. Now, there's a woman sitting down under a tree over there. There's a woman doing her laundry over there. And over there, there's a man in the toilet. I could see his feet from the gap at the bottom of the toilet. The sky is blue as usual. Nothing special about this day. Until when I started to see that white buggy coming. Until when I started to see that white buggy coming. It was coming so fast, it stops there, creating this loud noise and huge cloud of red dust which covers it up. And the woman sitting under a tree stands up, the one doing her laundry stops, and the man in the toilet drops the newspaper. I could see it from the gap at the bottom of the toilet. He opens the door and sticks his head out, and the kids playing stop playing. And for a moment, the whole community remained standing still, waiting for the dust to settle. And from where I am standing, I can see a white boy. I can see a white boy in khaki clothes with a gun in his hand, and he's just shooting, and he's just shooting and shooting and shouting. Hey, come, you bloody kaffers! Hey, come, you bloody kaffers! Exhalele toward Mark! Exhalal toward Mark! Hey, come! And here I am running back to my shack. I am running back to my shack, shouting.
Sikamukele mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Uyazi ke mbukeli ukuthi thina la ekhaya umsebenzi wethu ukuthi sihleze sikwazi ngakho okwenzakalayo. Sibonge kakhulu ezivakashini zethu kade zikhona. Hayi ngibe sengibona ulihle ukuthi sakusele kancane ukuthi akhale. Uthiyamo bekuyena kube umdidiyeli ke womdlalo leya iSkirlek ozobu khona lapha eJoburg Theatre kungekudala. Yazi yayinhle into eyenziwe ikakhulukazi njengoba sazi ukuthi lentsha ekade izivakashela namhlanje iphuma le ethembisa. Ngakho ke njengamanje mbukeli mangabe siqhubekela phambili ke la ekhaya lakho sihlezi nje sikuphathela izinto ezikhala kahle. Namhlanje sekulandele ke ukhuzano kaMpungose ehambisana kanye no Big Zulu bazoxoxa ngomqhudelwano abawuhlelileke la kuzobe kudlala khona osazwayo. Balapha ke endlini zethu zokusakaza bafike qathatha ukuzozivakashele. Big Zulu ninokhuba sinibingele samukele ekhaya.
Yebo.
Sasajabula ukuba nani namhlanje kuseni. Nivukile amakhazana amangaka?
Hawu ngiyabanda
hayi yabona nje mina sengiyabona ukuthi benilele nodwa ngoba nje hayi yabona uma ngabe ulele ifubene efudumele hey akuxebukeke ngubeni nami bekunzima ekuseni
namhlanje ingakho sifike late nje
bekumnandi hayi siba ukhulu ukuthi nisivakashele namhlanje kusekhaya ke la netheze kanje hayi asifane nezinye inhlelo sirelaxile thina
hayi siyabona phela kusekhaya sikhululekile impela
sicela nisitshele ngalomqhudelwano enuhlelayo noma enuhlelile ukuthi umqhudelwano kanjani uzobe udlala ba
engakusho nje ukuthi kunomqhudelwano la iGerman to Soccer uzobe ngomhla ka23 kuJuly la UW Mula AUJ Stadium la khona uzobe kubophelwe khona amaqembu amane okuyiqhumu versus gospel bese kuba hip hop versus maskandi angiqale ngomaskandi ngoba uwona ama defending champion maskandi versus hip hop so uzobe ukhona impela na kanjani sithi zobe bondiwe abantu abaphume ngothili wabo ngoba kunakala kakhulu.
Big Zulu sake sabona thina iSABC yakuxoshela umdlalo lo wawukhona utshatha ngambone geji penalty lapha akanzima kabi ingabe lo owakulonyaka umdlalo uhlwe kanjani lo owangonyaka odlula
angazi naye ukhuzana nomkhohla kanjani
wayigeja
bobabili ibhola elagejana namhlanje alikatholakala
kudlashona
udlatho la shona
so uhluke kanjani ke lo owa this year no last year
ngicabanga ukuthi ukukhula nje ukhulile ngoba phela mawukhumbula sawuqala kwakuyi hip hop nomaskandi kuphela kwaya ngenxa yothando ke labantu befisa ukuyibona lento sayithatha sathi ayibe i-top 4 sa-eda namanye ama-team which kwakukhona nepiano neqomu sadlala wawina kumaskandi ngokurobha
sona ropa ke
hayi wawina kumaskandi mawuwina kumaskandi ipiano the reason why lingekho kulonyaka is because mangabe udliwe kulonyaka odlulile uyaphuma sifake enye njengoba sifake
knockout kodwa knockout yangonyaka
yes njengoba sifake igospel kuloku yeza even isicathamiya sizofaka nje
wekhuzani mangabe noqala lo mqhudelwano ngifuna ukucabanga ukuthi kwakwenze njani ubani ocabangile kwakutheni inhloso yakho kwakuyini
kwahlangana nje insizwa yasenkandla nensizwa yaphansi leBergville ugazi lami ngokuthi siyayithanda ke ifootball unakho na ugqoke ikhipha zamaqembu athile ebhola nami ngigqoke ikhipha zamaqembu athile ebhola sasihlangana nje eThekwini sathi uyazi ukuthi nginga right uma ngathiwa sisungula into kanje since ke futhi ngalezi ekhathi kwakune covid singaperform indawo so umqondo wajula mhlawumbe bethiwa ayibanga biki covid ngabe lemdlala sinawo so nawe covid kukhona osiyami owezana khona noma wathatha imphefumulo yabantu kodwa khona esithi safunda ukuthi ungasabalala ngomqondo hayi savumelana nalendoda sahlela nje within 5 days sahamba salapha esentini sabona abantu beyithanda kakhulu lemidlalo sayisithi haya ke sithende ngoba namanye amagender ayisesifonele sethi awu madoda masenenza into kanje seniyasikhipha manje yabo so ke into emnandi ke yiyo leyo ukuthi amagender wonke awavalelwe azorotate kodwa mawufuna ukuhlezi ukhona kwi-tournament ufuna uwine ngoba uzowina nethuba lokuthi mawudliwe usangakazi ukudlala igame ema-losers ufika uwine kuyona abantu kushuthi number 4
kahle uzobayiluza kodwa engconywana
uma unumber 4 kahle yena ungabuyi asazi ke kodwa singabe kucace nje ukuthi khona yona team engezuba
Engezuba bikho. Big Zulu
Kodwa
obani?
futhi leyo team ungayibheka engezukubuya. Ungayibheka phakathi kwamaskandi negospel.
Kungani
Ngoba
njalo?
igqomu ne hip hop baya final.
Oh, ayike cha ake ngizwe
okungenzeka ukuthi gospel nomaskandi baku final.
Umanka nje kuzodepend ukuthi obani abadlala lapho. Yikho umbuzo wami olandelayo ukuthi obani labo saziwayo bazobe bela bedlala.
La kimi ngiyobe ngibophela impela ngiyobe ngibophela uCasper, ngibophele Questa, ngibophele umkhaya uSjava, ngibophele iBlack Diamond, ngibophele oKidex, ngibophele noZakwe. Ngoba last year uZakwe akakhonanga ukungena benodladla.
Ngiyagijimeka kodwa
kwakhala ukuthi iJazz alibaneli. Wakha uthi iJazz alibaneli.
Manje nibakhandelele bani la kulonyaka.
Sisheshe salungisa lonyaka. So uZakwe uyeqalile nje uyajima.
Hayi cha siyabona
kune video yakhe impelizo leshethi angifuni ukudlisa iqembu. Umfowethu uyajima manje.
Hayi uzobamangaza ke kuzani uzonimangaza uzake ningamthatha liphansi yazi ukuthi labo ngabanakile yibo labavele bathi.
Hayi khona.
Manje yini into enifisa ukuyizuza nje ngalomdlalo mhlawumbe enifuthi nokuthi kungenwa kanjani kuphi ngemalini makungenwa ngemali.
Yeah, ama-ticket engingakusho nje ama-ticket aseqalile adayisa ku ase Shoprite naku Computicket nase Pick n Pay naku Web Ticket akhona uma ufuna ukungena ngaphansi kwe-shelter le ilu 250 kodwa uma ufuna ukuhlala nje noma le ndawo evulekile
ujabule nabantu ngisho amavuvuzela lapha
R100 then ke abantu ke siyacela ukuthi beze beyiphathe kahle and isteki ke sibekiwe kulomqhudelwano u250,000 number 1 uzokhalamuke nawo kanti number 2 uzokhamba ke no100,000 unfortunately ke i-hip hop yobe ngekho kwi-final.
Hayi siyabona khona manje lo 250 mase notholile insizwa ushonaphi kuyadividwa niyahlukanselana noma uhamba uyepi bafethu
ahlukaniselana ngoba sisuke sifuna ukukhulisa iqembu siyasithenga nje
nizothenga insizwa
sithenga izinto zokujima omakhokho ilongana ama-kits i-jazz le team sisebenzisa futhi masifuna ukuyihlelela ama-practice match sisebenzise yona leyo
That's nice. Bana abaqeqeshwe Big Zulu balaba badlali ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi i-team ne-team kuzizoba good nomqeqeshi kumele uthathi bana abaqeqeshayo.
La ku hip hop ngiqe siphethe uSibo Fokol.
Wasokhosini
bese ngiphatha uRashid K. Ibobo babili ngisababekile.
Osababekile. Nina kwamaskandi kabajani?
Thina amaskandi ikhona insizwa thanda amaskandi ngendlela esimanga esayicetha isondele lokhuze khona insizwa lapho siqwayi umva kaNdlovu kube khona insizwa eke yadlala kwi-professional football ukugigi masinga kuyena abasicoachayo.
Yes. Hayi siyabethemba ucoach nabo basuke behlezi lapha imali okuzane lapho kuhlala khona. Sesibona khona uRulani behlezi khona la.
Maskandi ucoachwa nombani ofike eqala.
Nombani ofike eqala.
Hayi uzwe sethi phuma abangena banawo kahle.
Ukuthi kanti kwenzakala lihlelo wena.
Ahlela kile kahle kodwa ke mhlawumbe kunonyaka ugazi lami khona kuhlelile yena.
Hayi bafethu cha sibuye lokho lokusivakashela yazo Big Zulu sake savakashela uLwala. Kwakusa insuku zethu zokuqala kwafika uLwa basishayela nje enye into ecokeme la kwazi kwaphela uhlelo mhlawumbe waperform amaculo noma u3 noma u4 uLwa ngasho ngathi hayi umsebenzi kaBig Zulu bakithi awusiyabonga kakhulu
usekhulile uNdlovu
ukhulile udada kuzani wena singalidelani mhlawumbe akhona nama album zikhiphani kunyaka
yes khipha thina uma ngikhipha mina mangabe sekuzophela unyaka ngenzela abantu ngama-holiday behambe behle bejabule bekudle kahle ukhisimusi bewusheba nangoma so ke kuzothi nje maseqala kudlula September October sibatshela ama-update ukuthi izinto bengayilendelani into zayo.
Ngiyakubona indlela wenza ngayo ugebhela usong of the year usufuna ukuthi sakuzobe sekusondela vele i-31
ya nakhona bazobe bebhekane nathi khona usong of the year
sizobe ibambeni inkulu
yena impiyethi ikhona yonke indawo
ngoba phela hayi kuyakhishwa nangapha kwaNkabi mfana
akudlala inkabi ibhilite kakhulu
inkinga ukubhekana nomaskandi wesisi kunzima entweni nje ethi vote kunzima labantu bavele bathengisa imbuzi nenkomo.
Yey, namatekisi lapha elenke.
Manje
Ngiyamphakazela.
ene thina phela sivota nomani nje sivote kahle sicela abalaleli ukuthi ayivota
Nkosi yami siyaqela.
bona bavele benza competition yokuthengisa inkomo ivote so mawuza compete kanjani abantu
Hayi nangiqhamuka necebo. Qhamuka necebo.
cha mina nje eqinisweni sengibonga ukuba ku Song of the Year every year. Ngawuthi kuzobe kuphela u4 5 years manje.
Ulokhuko.
Silo every year ku Song of the Year. Sengibonga lokho nje ngoba makuthiwa.
Sizokuvotela ke nathi.
Izulu nokhuzani Song of the Year sengiyazi ukuthi we.
Khona inkabe idayisa amatekisi lapha erenke. Izodayisa iquantum uphuma amavoti.
Uphuma amavoti sekuzolahleka imbuzi zabantu ke manje.
Nginiyeka nje ningidikadika nginiyeka nje.
Hayi manje sibuke kakhulu ke bafowethu kuba nani namhlanje la ekhaya sibuseke kakhulu. Sinifisela konke okuhle ngathi ngihamba hle event yenu siyacela sinis invite.
I know.
Manisimebile sofika. Sekuyothi ke mase kumsomluko bese siyabatshela ababukeli ukuthi ababheke ukuthi kuhambe kanjani nokuthi liphi iqembu elwinile.
Ayisuka madoda.
Sibonge kakhulu. Ake umbukeli lo bekuBig Zulu noKhuzani besixoxa nabo kamnandi la ekhaya Jikelele breakfast show. Njengamanje babukela ke sinje qunga seyitolo ungayindawo ngoba siyabuya nokunye futhi.